In the given question, at first we can try to convert the unit of velocity from meter per hour to feet per second. So in this case, the velocity at point A will be VA equals 65 meter per hour. So we need to convert. So in this case, we will have 65 divided by 1 hour multiplied to 5280 feet divided by 1 multiplied to 1 hour divided by 3600 seconds. So this will be equal to 65 multiplied to 5